Hi everyone, and welcome to the Virtual Job Fair Software Platform training. I'd like to start by just reminding you that this training is designed to help you get the most out of the platform and your experience the day of the job fair. The job fair is your unique opportunity to speak live with recruiters and hiring managers and takes place from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. We want you to know what to do and when to do it. So before the event starts, make sure that you review your candidate profile, review the resume you uploaded to your profile, and watch a very important video called Turning a Job Fair into a Job Offer. This is your opportunity to get trained in techniques and ideas, golden nuggets that will help you get the most from your job fair experience. Day of the event, make sure you log in and enter the virtual lobby early. Click on the company names to enter the virtual hiring booths, and then take your opportunity to research and chat with each company in their hiring booth. In the hiring booths, you'll be able to review the companies, apply for positions, and chat with live recruiters. You'll also be able to ask recruiters at the end of each chat what would be the next step, and if you could get their name and email address, that's a wise decision. After the event's over, send an email thank you to the recruiters. Thank yous are an often neglected best practice that helps you to stand out. Make sure you include a copy of your resume attached, and in the first couple of sentences, just remind them a couple of things that were important to them during your conversation that you talked about. In this next couple of sentences, how you believe you can answer what they need most. And then in your final couple sentences, what would be the next step? Make sure you send an invitation to your recruiters too that you spoke with to connect with them on LinkedIn. You'll probably recognize this page as being the page where you set up your candidate profile. You'll also see at the top of the page that there's a place to click to log in. Log in there the day of the event. This is your candidate profile. This information's already completed. We just want to encourage you to check it to make sure everything is correct for the day of the event. And also, if necessary, update your resume. Make sure you click on the Save button at the end. This is what it'll look like when you enter and log in. There's a big button that's titled Enter Lobby. Once you've entered the lobby, you're going to see a picture a lot like this with logos of companies that will be participating that day. We want you to understand that participating organizations are mainly hiring companies, but also regularly include schools and universities with certification programs and degree programs. We know many of you attending aren't perfectly happy in your current line of work. These advisors from these schools are here to better understand your passions and how they line up with the top professions. They can help you understand how education may be used to get you to a career you really love. Our job fairs also regularly include organizations providing help for career coaching, resume writing, cover letters, LinkedIn, and best practices in job search. Meeting with them and getting their advice may be the catalyst to securing your next job sooner. Once you've clicked on the lobby and the company, you'll have the opportunity to learn more about the organization. As you look at the expo booth, you're going to see a couple of very important areas: company bio, job vacancies, career pages, company overviews and videos, and the important green Chat Now button. In the job vacancies, once it's open, you're going to have the opportunity to not only view job descriptions and do your research, but also apply immediately for the positions. Once you're finished, click on the X to X out and return to the lobby and to the virtual booth. Once you're back at the virtual expo booth, you can click on the Back to Lobby button, which will take you back to the host of different companies that will be there that day. I want to thank you for your participation and for listening, and wish you much success in your job fair experience.